Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress for beginners. First, understand that WordPress is a versatile platform, powering over 43% of all websites globally. It's a free and open-source content management system, meaning you have full control. You can build almost any type of website, from a simple blog to a complex e-commerce store, with relative ease. We'll cover the fundamental steps to get your site up and running smoothly. To begin, you'll need a web host and a domain name. Many hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installations, making setup incredibly simple. Once installed, navigate to your site's login page, typically your domain followed by /wp-admin. Enter your chosen username and password to access your administrative dashboard. This central hub is where you'll manage all aspects of your website, from content to design. Now, let's personalize your site. You can easily create new posts for blog entries or static pages for information like About Us. The block editor makes adding text, images, and videos straightforward. To change your site's visual style, explore the vast collection of themes under the Appearance menu. You can also organize your content effectively using categories and tags, helping visitors find what they need quickly. Plugins are powerful tools that add new features to your site, from enhancing search engine optimization to creating secure contact forms. There are tens of thousands available, many of them free. Remember to keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to the latest versions for security and performance. Also, always perform regular backups of your site. It's a crucial step to protect your hard work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.